Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Nunchuk wallet application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Nunchuk wallet application on your iPhone, firstly go ahead and launch open your App Store. On the search box at the top, type in Nunchuk and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Simply tap on Get button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Nunchuk Bitcoin wallet application on your iPhone quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.